So this is our default Unity engine editor. So as you can see, there are lots of panels. The first one is a hierarchy panel, this one. In this panel we will list all the game object. Suppose if you want to add the cube, uh, add the components, we are going to add in this hierarchy panel. Just like for example, if I want to add the cube in the game, so this will add up the cube. And this one is the scene view. So in this panel we will design our game, we will create our game, we will uh, level design, and everything stops. And the next panel is the game panel. This one is the rendered panel. All the game objects or all the level design that you have done in the scene view will be rendered in this game panel. So actually this panel also known as the extraction panel. The player will play in this panel. So after that you can see the inspector view. The inspector view actually shows the properties of the selected game object. For example, if I select this one cube, you can see the properties of the selected cube, the transform, mesh filter, mesh renderer, colliders, all of it. Suppose if I select on the main camera, so you can see the properties of the main camera, like the transform, camera component, audio listener. All right. The third panel, you can see this one, the down panel is the project panel or project view, where you in this panel actually you will structure, you will create the folder, you will import the models, you will create the materials and all of it. And the last one but not the least is the console panel. So this panel actually shows the system's messages, like the errors, warnings, logs from the systems of the game. So this is basically the panel of the Unity editor. We will use all of it to make our game complete. So thank you. See you in the next video.